I just noticed when I was trying to push in the plug here, so you can see the live data, the reading changes, and it's not able to click in. So maybe I get a little bit of clean the plug terminals, a little dusty inside there. Alright, little bit of clean up the connection here inside. So I got a good readings here. Let me start the car and see how it goes. Yeah, I think I fixed. Now go back to the left charger. Yes, pending, circle high, pending. Maybe erase the code. No focus detected. Then let me start the car now. Yep. Low cost gone, traction control is gone, traction control warning light is gone.